Securely manage your bookings and travel plans by mastering how to add or update your payment method on Booking.com. First, log into your Booking.com account. Once you're in, look for the main navigation menu. Typically located at the top of the page, click on your profile icon or the account button to access your account settings. Within your account settings, you'll find a section dedicated to payment information. This might be labeled as Payment Settings, My Wallet, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Here, you'll see any existing payment methods you may have saved to add a new one. Locate and click the Add Payment Method button or the Add New option, which is usually clearly visible. Now, you'll be presented with a form to enter your payment details. If you're adding a credit or debit card, carefully fill in the card number, the expiry date, the CVV security code, and the cardholder's name exactly as it appears on the card. Depending on your region and the services offered, Booking.com may also allow you to link alternative payment methods, such as PayPal or digital wallets. If these options are available, select the one you wish to use and follow the on-screen prompts to link your account. Once all the required information is entered accurately, click the Save, Add Card, or similar confirmation button to finalize the process. Congratulations! Your new payment method is now added to your Booking.com account. You can return to this section anytime to update or remove your payment details as needed, ensuring smooth and secure transactions for all your future adventures.